Day 4 and you're back. Good for you for keep going and doing the challenge with me. Today we're going to focus a little bit more on the upper body, and if you feel your wrists, your shoulders are a little stiff, just take some breaks, or roll your wrists, roll your shoulders, loosen it up before you continue with the exercises. You're also going to see some of the progression, meaning a little bit more challenging steps forward for some of the movements that we've done earlier on. So I hope you will feel good about that, and you'll recognize those exercises and feel so empowered to being a little bit more challenged. Okay, let's keep on rolling and start on the mat.
Let's start on your hands and knees with your feet against the wall. Just going to do the cat and cow, articulating the spine. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, push into the mat, and inhale, reverse and open the chest. Good. Make sure you're pushing into your hands, lifting those ribs up, spreading those shoulder blades apart, and inhale, widening your collarbones. Good. Full spine articulation, tail to head. Let's bring the right hand to the forehead, rotate to the right side with the inhale, and exhale, tap the other arm. As you rotate to the right side, you want to push into that supporting arm to give you a little bit of the rotation twist. Exhale, drop the elbow, touch the opposite arm one more time, and reach, come back to center. Left hand goes under the forehead, rotate, and exhale, drop that left shoulder a little bit more towards the floor. Rotate, squeeze your mid back, and reverse, tap the other arm. Tap, inhale, open the chest, elbow up, and rotate, and tap one more. Reach up and all the way down. From here, we're going to bring the right foot against the wall. So straighten that leg, so you want to shift a little bit forward. So straighten the knee. Feel that you're pushing into the heel, engaging the glute, and press away from the wall so the whole body is shifting slightly forward. As you shift your body back and forth so the legs stay straight, and feel that your abs are pulled in and ribs are close together. Push and press the heel back. Let's lower the foot down, keep it against the wall to feel that contact. On the exhale, you're gonna scoop the tummy and lift that opposite leg just up, hovering above the mat. Drop it down on the inhale. Exhale, stabilize through the abs first, lift and release it down. Pull the abs, hover and release it down. And one more, lift and release it down. Step in with the right leg and stretch the left leg. So you're pushing into the wall, keeping the legs straight, leaning forward, and press the heel back on the exhale, squeeze into the left bum cheek. Good, whole body is shifting. Feel that you're staying centered here. Back, good. Let's lower the foot back down, keep it in against the wall. I'm gonna hover the other knee up on the exhale. So feel that you're wearing the corset, stabilize your abdominals before you lift that leg, and release. Exhale, pull the abs, hover. So it's not a big movement. You want to feel the control and that your abs are working to support the stability. Shift slightly back. We're gonna lift the knees, bring your bum up, so you're doing the pike, and bend the knees, bring them down to the mat. So exhale, scoop the tummy, pike the hips up, big stretch into the hamstrings here, and hover and release. Hover, pike up, good. Feel that nice neutral spine. And again, hover, pike, push into the arms, and release it back down. Good. Shake your wrist, roll them a little bit one side into the other side. Release the tension. We're going to roll all the way on your back. So bring the feet hip distance apart onto the wall. Good. Stretch the legs out, and we're going to curl and lift straight leg up. So you're alternating the sides, keep everything nice and squared. And lifting the straight leg is a little bit more challenging than having the knees bent. So if you want to regress, you can bend the knees. Good. Exhale to curl. Inhale to lengthen. Keep those elbows wide. Good. Curl and release. Pull from those lower abdominals on the leg lift. Good. And a couple more times. Other side. Curl, exhale. Think of your folding from the ribs. Let's hold that right leg, curl a little bit higher up, walk your hands, and let's tap, lift and tap with the opposite side. Scoop the belly, feel that your pelvis is pushing a little bit into the mat. Walk your hands back, and let's do the other side. Lift the left leg up, curl, walk as if you're walking up the tree. Pull the leg and tap. Scoop the belly on that leg lift. Good. Keep up the curl. Scoop and lift. Tap away. Walk your hands back. And we're doing one more set. Climb up the leg. Good. Hold it there so your upper body stays nice and still, keeping that nice ab curl. And tap. Scoop the lower abs. Tap. Walk down. Let's switch the sides. Curl, walk your hands a little bit higher. Good. Draw those abdominals in. Lift and tap. Lift and tap. Don't let your upper body drop. And walk your hands back down. Good. Let's do one more set here. Good. Climb up the leg and tap. Nice. Keep those shoulder blades off the floor. Tap. Good. Walk it down. One more side to even out. Curl. Scoop the belly. Keep those ribs in. Think of drawing the belly button down as you lift the leg. Hollow out the belly like a big ice cream scoop. And release it all the way down. Alright. Bring your hips a little bit closer to the wall. And let's do the bridge. Roll the hips up. And bring it down. So if you can't control your spine, you're just hinging the hips up, keeping your long neutral back. Exhale. Good. Push into your feet. Lift the hips and roll it back down on the inhale. Exhale. Roll them up and soften the ribs. Soften those shoulders on the way down. Good. Let's roll. Keep our core tight. Ribs are gently pulled in and release. And again, roll, squeeze your bum and release it back and down. Let's do 3 more. So exhale, squeeze into the glutes, roll the hips up. Inhale, find that length. Exhale, roll up, press slightly into the backs of the arms, lower down. We're gonna hold that last one, hold it here. We're gonna reach the right toes up and tap down. So you're using your left leg for stability. Keep squeezing into the glutes, tap and bend the knee. Tap up and down. Reset the hips, left side, tap and in. Higher up, lower down. Very light onto that foot. Keep it nice and squared. And roll it down to reset. Let's exhale, squeeze your bum. Good. Keep your ribs and hips aligned. Tap and in. Tap and in. Nothing is shifting. Keep your core tight. And in. Good. Lift a little bit. Reset. Keep squeezing your glutes. Tap and in. Good. Keep pushing through that right foot for stability and roll it down from the ribs all the way back onto the mat. Good. Let's come up one more time. Reach and tap and tap. Good. Lengthen, straighten fully from the knee. And other side. Good. So you're shifting the weight, using the right leg for stability. Keep squeezing your bum. Abs are tight. And lift the arms. Big inhale here and roll through the spine. All the way down. Sweep the arms around. Hug your knees into the chest. Roll a little bit side to side just to release the lower back. And let's come up into a seated position. Open up the hips and rotate to the right side. Lift the chest, big inhale, and through the center, twist to the left. Grow a little bit taller, breathe into the ribs. And again, rotate to the right side. Inhale, expand those ribs out to the sides and back. Exhale to center. Good. Rotate to the left. Breathe in. Grow a little bit taller here. Come back to the center. Shift a little bit back towards the wall so your back is touching the wall. We're going to roll the knees to the right and to the left like a windshield wipers. So your pelvis will rotate a little bit with the legs. Good. It's nice release for the hips. Good. Getting that mobility. And one more time. Good. Each side. Come back to center. Crisscross your legs. Let's inhale, reach those arms up. And exhale, relax. Drop your head down. Inhale, look up, grow taller. And release it down. Tuck your chin in one more time. Inhale, big reach. And release it down. Great job, you guys. See you on the next day.